We are headed out thrifting. Thrift stores it's been hit and miss, so we're gonna try a different one out than we normally do. Also gonna try to hit Savers up, and we'll see how good we do today.
It's like a Pampered Chef.
What's that little crock down there? Kitchen utensils. Is that weird?
Can't get that hot enough to you.
What about these little apothecary jars?
I'm just getting over a cold and the voice is the last thing to go. So during this video, you're going to have to forgive my froggy little voice. When I'm thrifting, I'm looking for glass that is thick and unique and something that's really going to be a standout piece, because glass in and of itself is kind of simple, so it's all about design.
So I know it's going to look like I planted all of these things on the shelf right here, but I promise you that I didn't. I was just walking by and there's like 3-4 things and I grabbed them and put them in the cart because they were good. I think for $3 each, I'm gonna get them.
Yeah, those are cool.
$4 for this repop kettle. I'm gonna do it, maybe paint it. That's kind of cool.
Flowers.
Yeah. But they used to have like something hanging it.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Sometimes when I'm walking through the wood aisle, I have a hard time not passing up everything because I want to grab all these little scraps and pieces because I know I can turn them into something. But at the end of the day, a lot of these are $1, $2, $3 a piece. And if I don't do anything with them and they end up just sitting in the garage, it was a lot of wasted money and effort. If anyone guessed that I'm grabbing this little shelf for the hooks, you guessed right. 7 hooks for $2, I'll take that all day long. Another great thing that we're always looking for is seasonal decor. If we can find Christmas stuff that's good Christmas stuff right now, we'll snag it. A lot of this today wasn't great, so we didn't get anything here. Yeah, let's go look at the clocks. Which one? The little dresser? How much? Oh, that's too much. For what's basically an IKEA dresser. Oh yeah, grab that. We can sell those all day. The girls will take it if we don't. This hall tree is kind of cool if it wasn't bright red.
Yeah, but we already have one in the shop.
Oh, that one hasn't sold? Some of our very best finds in a thrift store are always quilts or crocheted items. A lot of times we'll find them over here all along this back wall. Most of our Deseret Industries / DI thrift stores have them. I almost grabbed this knitted quilt here. Would it be a quilt or a blanket? I don't know. Either way, I almost grabbed it, but a little bit too bright for our style. We need another cart.
I think we're done.
Is it velvet?
Why is it orange?
But can we paint velvet? I think we could paint it. How much is it?
$4.
$4?
It's
All
missing
right.
an eyeball too, though.
Yeah, let's paint it.
What are you gonna put?
I'll make a little clay eyeball.
All right.
What about this? I feel like
Yeah,
this
that's
is
what I came for.
okay.
Oh, and also
the Santa is also good.
Santa is $12.99.
What about this little pig? It's broken, but what about it without the
Oh, where's it broken?
all down? It's got
How
a
much
crack.
is it?
Oh no, it's $10.
Oh.
Back away.
We need to make a. Remember we were talking about making videos about stuff that was too expensive?
All right, well, oh, $12.99 for Santa. No,
Too much.
$7.99.
went up in price.
I
Reach.
know. I always gotta use a coupon.
What about this little blue squirrel? But the dogs. Think of the dogs. The dogs would love it.
I don't want the dogs to love that. They'll eat it.
How much for that?
$4.99. It could be cute if it was painted something different.
I got candlesticks on the other side. I gotta go.
Oh my gosh, Deb. This is the best Santa mug ever.
That.
Not for one.
Oh no. $6.99. How are you feeling? $6.99 for that.
No.
$7.99.
Not either.
Nope.
But this one, sorry if this is offensive. We put a little like censorship.
What about $4.99 and $3.99?
That's all right. Yeah.
I do like those clocks. How much are they? I really like this one
$7.99. I don't know why that one's more expensive.
because it looks cooler. They're both cool. I like them.
I don't think they need to be painted. I think they're cool.
We'll see what the price is on that. No price. They got good stuff here today. Yoda chalice, $1.99. Do it. Oh, this is one of those Valentine's Day. Look at.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, but Jay Harrington, and when he proposes, he can use it.
$1.99. Yeah, get it. It's cute. It's etched. Not crystal.
That is crystal.
Is it? If it's crystal, grab it. Grapes. This one's coming home.
Oh yes, and this one too. Just because you find an antique or a collectible in a thrift store doesn't mean that it's worth a ton of money. Always use Google and you can check it out and see what its value is. All right, we cleaned up this part of the house so we could film.
Last couple of weeks, we've been having to really dig deep to find things, 6, 7 passes through the thrift store to find what we wanted that works with our design aesthetic. And I feel like this weekend was a triumph.
We #nailed it. If you guys want to see how much we're going to sell all this for, be sure to set your alarms for our Saturday night thrift haul at 8:30. You can also check out Jami Vintage. We'll drop the link below with the Saturday thrift haul. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Vintage for more
DIY.